nice. What a lovely audience. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ushma Tyagi. I'm your host tonight, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this beautiful evening, the Delhi leg of Dell Customer Connect program named Xperia on behalf of CIO Club and Dell India. I welcome you all. Well, as we know, Xperia is a program which stands for enhancing the experience and relationship with CIOs and technology captains like you. It also stands for commitment Dell has for valued customers like you. So before I formally start with the proceedings of the event, I would like to make a few important announcements. You must have already got the feedback forms. I would request you to fill them with as much detail as possible. And my colleagues will then collect it from you. And I would also request you, please do not come on stage when a performance is happening. However, if you want to make a special request for your favorite song, you can tell my colleagues and they'll probably proceed with that request. All right. Before I start off, everyone raise your left hands up. Raise your right hands up. Everyone. Everyone raise your both hands up. Now everyone is awake. We are ready to start. I would now like to invite on stage to mark a wonderful start to this evening, Mr. Umesh Mehta, President CIO Club Delhi NCR Chapter. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Okay. On behalf of CIO Club and Dell, welcome to this wonderful evening. We are celebrating today, giving a tribute to Jagjit Singh. So we have a wonderful speaker today. A little bit about CIO Club, those members who have not been attending our programs. So CIO Club is an initiative of CIO Association. So we've got 6 chapters across pan-India. So Bombay, Delhi, we have Bangalore, we have Chennai. So we have close to around 1,400 members. So we do social events and technology events like this is a social event which we do, especially along with spouses. And this is our first event this year. So first of all, a very happy New Year to all the CIO community and family here in Delhi. Okay, so we generally give this platform to our technology partners to showcase their capabilities, products and capabilities, and also add value to CIOs. So that is what, and we generally meet once in a month for technology events, and we do at least 3 events in a year, social events like this one. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the evening with your loved one. And thank you for coming.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta, for such a warm welcome. All right, so I would request my technical guys to play a short video by Dell to thank all of you. And with this, with great pleasure, I would like to invite on dais Mr. Ajay Kaul, Director and General Manager, North Geo from Dell India.
Thank you. Thank you, Umesh. Good evening, everyone. Wow. So first of all, let me thank everyone for taking out time this evening. I know it's not easy to cut across Delhi traffic at this time and take your personal time out for this evening. So once again, thanks a lot. While we know that all of you are successful in many ways, right? But I'm sure there is a big hand of your family in that success, right? So while we do various events on technology and like Umesh mentioned about the showcasing of technology that we do, so we just thought this time, let's make it something different. Let's actually take out some time to thank people who are behind the success of everyone sitting here in the room. So can I request everyone to put your hands together for the families because of which, we have all the success that we have. Without much ado, I think we should start with this great evening, and like all of us on a Saturday evening want to be relaxed, want to be chilled out, and there are various reasons for us to do that. So with the blessings of everyone in this room, let the evening begin. So thank you once again, enjoy and have fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kaul, for the kind words. And now, delegates, it's time for the most awaited part of the evening. Are you ready? We're all here to celebrate and give a tribute to the great maestro, the one and only legendary Sri Jagjit Singh. So are you ready for that? Yes. I'm really hard on my ears today. Are you really ready for it? Yes. Okay. So today we will hear the soulful, unforgettable songs of the great legend Sri Jagjit Singh recreated in the mesmerizing voice of an artist, a performer, equally legendary, and a great maestro, Sri Zulfikar A.K. Sabri. He is one of the finest ghazal singer in Delhi, has delivered various number of shows, ghazal nights and solo concerts. He shows true and amazingly powerful colors of his Ustad Abdul Aziz, grandson of late Sri Bade Ghulam Ali Khan, one of the main exponent of the Patiala Gharana, and the second Ustad, Farid Ahmad Khan from Kirana Gharana, learning to classical music, Thumri and Ghazal. His 4 devotional CDs have been released and taken very well by the audience, and recently has released Ghazal album Remembering Jagjit Singh. Please give a warm welcome with a big round of applause to Sri Zulfikar A.K. Sabri on stage.
भैया इसका इफेक्ट ऑन करो यार। इफेक्ट क्यों बंद कर दिया? इफेक्ट ऑन करो ना इसका। इफेक्ट ऑन करिए। चेक चेक। हेलो, ठीक है। बस एक ही लाइट रहने दो यार, एक लाइट। कलर बार बार चेंज मत करो उसको। बस ठीक है, एक कर दीजिए प्लीज। दोस्तों, आज की शाम उस खूबसूरत आवाज़ के नाम है, जिसको कई लोगों ने कई बार क्या बहुत हज़ारों बार सुना है। और मेरी कोशिश है कि कुछ उसी विरासत को आगे बढ़ाते हुए जो भी कुछ मुझे आता है आप सभी के लिए मैं मौजूद हूँ यहाँ पर। कुछ मेरी पसंद आप सभी के लिए, कुछ आपकी फरमाइशें। आज की शुरुआत उनकी चंद खूबसूरत गज़लों से करेंगे, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी पीछे नाम लिखकर मुझे दे दी गई है, ट्रिब्यूट टू जगजीत सिंह। वो मुकाम और वो ऊंचाइयाँ कोई भी हासिल नहीं कर सकता जो आपने की हैं। एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में बिखरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पर पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पर पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पर ठहरना कमाल होता है। ये चीज़ जो थी जगजीत जी में थी, और यही चीज़ CIO क्लब में भी है। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ उमेश मेहता साहब का, जो इतनी खूबसूरत शाम दिल्ली की भागदौड़ में ऑर्गेनाइज करी है उन्होंने। मैं चाहूँगा एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियों से उनका इस्तकबाल किया जाए। मेहता साहब प्लीज़ आप तशरीफ़ आगे लाएं सर, ये इस तरह तो बात जमेगी नहीं बिल्कुल भी। शुक्रिया आप सभी की इजाज़त से। इधर आइए, सामने आइए प्लीज़। तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा, तुमको देखा, तुमको देखा, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। दिल ने एक तमन्ना की, आज फिर दिल को हमने समझाया, आज फिर दिल को हमने समझाया। जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया, हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया। जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। गजल का आखिरी शेर आप सभी के लिए। हम जिसे गुनगुना नहीं सकते, हम जिसे गुनगुना 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 गुनगुना, हम जिसे गुनगुना नहीं सकते, वक्त ने ऐसा गीत क्यों गाया, वक्त ने ऐसा गीत क्यों गाया। जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया।